Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share a very simple method to create an invisible slip stitch. This is super useful when doing amigurumi. You can see from this sample, the slip stitch is quite noticeable. Let me demonstrate how to make an invisible slip stitch. I have just finished the last stitch of this round, and now I need to connect it to the first stitch with a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Pull the yarn through and complete the slip stitch. Our goal is to make the slip stitch as small as possible. To do this, pull up the loop on your hook, making it larger, then tighten the yarn with your left hand. In this way, it will make the slip stitch smaller. If it's not small enough, repeat this process. Enlarge the loop on your hook and then tighten the yarn with your left hand again. Now we can continue crocheting normally, making the turning chain and begin working single crochets in the next rounds. Here the slip stitch has become so small that it's hardly noticeable. This is an amigurumi sample. The slip stitch is barely visible. Give this method a try.